This is KZ ZSA, the latest IEM from KZ, an IEM packed with one dynamic driver and one upgraded balanced armature. Let's have a look, shall we? KZ ZSA comes in a standard white box as many other KZ IEMs nowadays. Inside the box we find the two monitors, the new types of wire which may seen in previous models like the new KZ ES4 or KZ ZS10, two extra ear tips, quick start guide and a warranty card. The shape of the IEM is very similar to the KZ ZS6. Full metal body, yet way smaller than any other IEMs I ever tried. As you can see, it's even smaller than the ES4, and next to the ZS10 it looks like its younger sister. Now let's talk about the sound quality. It has many similarities with the KZ ZS6. Bass is punchy and percussion instruments also sounds good. During the listening session I noticed a small reverb-like effect. This can be caused by the metal body, which can make the deep tones even more stronger, but the mids and highs can suffer from that. Simpler musics where no more than 3 to 4 instruments are present, and most of them are bass tones or some kind of percussion instruments, will sound great. But if the music is more complex, with many highs and mid tones, it will suffer for sure. Keep in mind that we are talking about a $20-ish IEM, yet it has a full metal body, a very solid construct, and the true oxygen-free cable is in the bundle. Lightweight, small ergonomic body, so it will probably fit for everyone. This might be an upgrade for those who already have an older IEM like the KZ ZST Pro and looking for something else, or just need small, durable, yet bassy earphones. If you want to purchase one for yourself, please check the link in the video description, and also if you like this review, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel to bring you more awesome tech reviews for you. Thank you and have a nice day.